Welcome to the world of modern cherry harvesting and processing. From vast orchards filled with ripe, juicy cherries to high-tech factories, where every step is fine-tuned for perfection. The journey of these little fruits is nothing short of amazing. With cutting-edge machines, cherries are carefully harvested, washed, sorted, and packed.
All within hours of being picked. Let's dive in.
Harvesting cherries from massive orchards is a fascinating process.
When the cherries are perfectly ripe and bursting with flavor, specialized shaking machines gently vibrate the trees,
causing the fruit to drop effortlessly. The freshly picked cherries are quickly rinsed, neatly packed into crates, and rushed to local processing facilities while they're still incredibly fresh. This fast and efficient system ensures that every cherry keeps its natural juiciness and sweetness, ready to be enjoyed in all kinds of delicious ways. Once the freshly picked cherries arrive at the processing plant, the real transformation begins. First, they are poured onto a conveyor system that gently transports them into large stainless steel washing tanks. These tanks are filled with clean, cold water, and powerful air jets create bubbles that help loosen any dirt, dust, or small insects clinging to the fruit. At the same time, a filtering system removes leaves, twigs,
and any unwanted debris that might have come from the orchard. To ensure food safety and extend freshness,
some factories add a mild, food-grade sanitizing solution, such as diluted chlorine or organic fruit wash, which helps eliminate bacteria without affecting the cherry's natural flavor. The cherries are then gently stirred or tumbled in the water to make sure every piece is thoroughly cleaned. After the cherries are washed, they move to the cluster cutter, a specialized machine designed to separate the fruit
from their branches with precision. This step is crucial because cherries often grow in small clusters, and removing them by hand would be too slow for large-scale processing. The cluster cutter uses a system of rotating blades
or rollers that gently cut the stems while minimizing damage to the delicate fruit.
Some machines also have vibration mechanisms to help loosen the cherries naturally. Once the cherries are detached, they go through another round of washing to remove any tiny stem fragments or sap residue before moving on to sorting and packaging. The cherries are moving on to the scanning and sorting stage, where advanced technology helps ensure only the best fruit makes it to market.
First, the cherries pass through a size sorting machine, which uses rotating rollers or vibrating trays with adjustable gaps. Smaller cherries fall through first, while larger ones continue moving forward, allowing the system to separate them into different size categories.
This ensures consistency, whether the cherries are sold fresh or used in processing. Next, the cherries go through a high-speed optical scanner equipped with cameras and infrared sensors. This system analyzes each cherry's color, ripeness, and surface quality in real time. Rushed from the field, the cherries are quickly cooled in these water flumes before reaching the sorting line, where workers meticulously inspect each one by hand. After the cherries have been sorted by size and quality, a portion of the batch is sent to a stem removal area, specifically designed for producing delicious stemless cherries. This section of the factory features a system
that mimics the motion of hand plucking, ensuring that the stems are removed cleanly without damaging the delicate fruit.
The process typically involves water flow technology, where cherries are gently carried through a specially designed channel with controlled water currents. These currents create a natural swirling motion, loosening the stems, just like how cherries detach from their branches in nature. Once the stems are removed,
the cherries go through another quick rinse to wash away any small stem fragments or sap residue. To ensure only the highest quality cherries make it to packaging, the fruit goes through a final manual inspection and sorting stage. Even though advanced machines have already scanned and sorted the cherries, trained workers carefully check them once more by hand.
As the cherries move along a slow-moving conveyor belt, workers inspect them for any remaining defects, such as small blemishes, soft spots, or leftover stems that the machines might have missed.
If they find any cherries that don't meet quality standards, they are gently removed and redirected for other uses, like juicing or drying. In big operations, they use machines to weigh and fill the containers. This makes sure every box has the right amount, which is really important, especially when they're shipping them overseas. After passing the final quality check, the cherries move to the weighing and packaging area. Here, automatic weighing machines ensure that each box or bag receives the exact amount of cherries, maintaining consistency for every package. The cherries travel on conveyor belts to multi-head weighing systems, where they are evenly distributed into portions based on preset weight requirements.
Okay, so when they pack up fresh cherries, it's pretty interesting. They usually go into these plastic containers, bags with holes,
or cardboard boxes with special liners. They also use sensors to keep an eye on the temperature.
And every batch gets labeled with codes, like barcodes or QR codes, so they can keep track of everything.
Once they're all packed up and stored, they're ready to go.
then they get shipped out, going through all the delivery systems.
And end up in grocery stores, markets, and food factories all over the world. The massive daily output is carefully organized, ready to be shipped across the country.